Hi guys, I'm Corbin Rhodes and this is Plant Basics. Today we're actually going to repot my little Brassavola Nodosa, which is a lovely fragrant little orchid. I actually got this plant from Plantea Orchids, which is where I get a lot of my orchids and other plants. I'll put the description. Grace, what's she doing? And what she'll need is a little pot, a mixture of bark and gravel. And yeah, so let's get started. So I'm not going to plant it in this little pot because of the drainage. There's absolutely no drainage in this pot, but it did look cute in here though. The first thing is we cut this out of this little plastic container. And this plant actually surprised me because it's the first time I've actually had one of these. And it's actually turned out to be so easy to care for because it's, I think, more than doubled in size since I first got it. And it is a highlight orchid, so it does need direct sunlight in order to thrive. There we go. So it is actually an active growth at the moment, so it's actually perfect. It's the perfect time to repot an orchid because now it means that the new roots will go into the media. So I just want to take some of this sphagnum moss off of here. But just be careful that I don't damage the roots. Some of these roots are kind of dead already. Yeah, there we go. So this is actually a quick plant to grow into a nice specimen plant. And the flowers are so fragrant at night. It's actually used quite a lot in other Cattleya orchid hybrids because it takes its fragrance with it. Yeah, and I'm just going to cut off. So first thing is we use our hydrogen peroxide. Just spray our scissors. And I'm just going to cut off some of the dead roots here at the bottom. I keep this plant in almost full sun, so it does get full sun during the day. And as you can see here, there's a new root that I'm going to plant into the pot. The first thing is put some of this gravel mix. This is a very well drained mix because these orchids don't like their roots to be too wet for too long. And I'm going to place it kind of at the back of the pot so that it can grow across the surface of the media. And I'll just fill in the front. So I can't wait for this plant to bloom because I do have another Brassavola Nodosa, which has actually bloomed for me. Yeah, so it was so fragrant that the fragrance would basically engulf my whole office and grow space area. So I'm hoping this one will actually do the same. So yeah, so all I'm going to do now is just put it under the tap in the sink to just give it a good watering, and now place it back upstairs in its spot.